16 gig yari yung video. We are now inside the capsule.
Yeah, capsule. The cable.
Anong masasabi mo, Mr. Updates?
Well, ladies and gentlemen.
First time ka nakasakay ng cable car.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Al-Arabiya Mina Tayyib. Eid Mubarak ya Habibi.
Upload kayo ni. Sige, sa
Aywa. Wais sin first time, then like a virgin. It's another experience in Saudi Arabia, in the Middle East, in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
It's very steep.
Yeah. Same like an airplane, going down, going down, going down.
Yan po yung sa atin eh, mga bitukang manok na daan.
Oo, pwede.
Ayan. Yan po yung mga boulder sa likod namin. Malayo-layo pa ang aming kamera.
Wow!
Yan, mababa niya ka niyan. Tapos nang ito, magbaba yun. Yan po. Ito po yung main highway. Paakyat papunta dito sa may Ramada Hotel. Ayan po. Kung nakikita niyo po yung nasa na.
Wahadsuni ya habibi. Kipa kintai habibi. Marhaba. Assalamualaikum. The view you can see, the aerial view of Tayyip, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But ladies and gentlemen, you're now listening to DJ Mix.